Okay, let's talk about chapter 34, animal nutrition. So in this chapter, we're really gonna get like a survey of the whole, how we get nutrients and how we function as living, breathing beings. In section 1, we're going to talk about digestive systems. So we'll touch on other digestive systems, not just human digestion, but animal and other digestive systems as well. This is a great place if you want to do a paper summary about something weird. I'm sure that you can find another organism's digestive system that's fun to find a paper topic to do a summary on. In section 2, we're going to talk about nutrition and energy production. So you'll be able to do things like defining what food is made up of, describing the essential nutrients required, explaining how energy is produced through diet and digestion. Since we just talked about plant nutrition, you might want to consider like just kind of going back and forth in your brain at least and comparing and contrasting, like if animals need a lot of carbon, do plants need a lot of carbon? The answer is yes to both. But there are other micronutrients that plants versus animals might need in differing amounts. In section 3, we're going to talk about the digestive system processes. So you're going to look at the actual physical, like where does stuff go after it enters your mouth sort of deal. And you're going to explain the role of both the small and the large intestines in absorption. So we're going to kind of zoom in on those pieces and really focus on like what does the small intestine do versus what does the large intestine do. And I know these things, like if you're an animal person, like going to vet school, or you really want to be an ecologist, or maybe you're a computer scientist, you'll be like, I don't care about digestion. But then your aunt gets sick, or your grandma gets sick, or someone in your family has something wrong with digestion, and then you care about digestion. So keep in mind the real world implications of you learning these systems and the symptoms of dysfunction as well. The last section of this chapter is about regulation and how hormones regulate digestion and how our nerves regulate digestion as well. So hopefully you'll have a pretty detailed understanding of the digestive system by the end of this chapter, and you'll be able to move on to the next one. See you there.